A smooth sea doesn't make a skillful sailor. Flat track never develop a great batsman. If success is easy to get, then it's mean nothing to me. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Ankit Sharma, working as design engineer in Winsome Express, expert in SolidWorks and affiliate marketer as well. Today, I am going to talk about on the topic challenges are necessary for success. Why challenges are essential for success? Why we need challenges to prove ourselves? You always heard one Hindi saying that is सुर्ख रूह होता है इंसान आफतें आने के बाद रंग लाती है हिना पत्थर पे पिस जाने के बाद. It means a person only polish when he faces challenges, problems in his life. Just like the henna show his color when he is beaten in between the stones. When you face challenges, you will get to know about yourself. You will get to know about that problem as well. If you want to be successful in your life, you have to face challenges, problems, struggles, obstacles in your life. Because once you start facing these kind of challenges, problems, you will get to know about yourself more and more. You will get to know the questions like, am I able to stand alone in my life? Am I prepared well for this challenge? Am I worthy enough to get success? Am I able to face this challenge? What are my flaws? Till now, what I am doing wrong in this challenge? So these are the questions will get to know when you face this challenge. And guys, you know very well, once you know the problem, then you have the solution as well. So by facing this challenge, facing challenges in your life, you will get to know the questions about yourself and then you can find the answer according to that. So always face the challenges because the challenge give you more thing about yourself. Because challenge gives you the opportunity to prove yourself. How you react in a difficult situation, either a standstill or a feeling afraid, it's all describe your character. If you are calm in any problem, then you are a mature person. But if you are a disturbed person in a small problem, then you are immature. Then you need to work upon yourself. Every challenge comes with an opportunity to prove yourself. No matter how small challenge is that, no matter how big challenge is that, you need to prove yourself again and again and again in your life to get success. From point 1 to from point 2. From unsuccessful to be successful. The path is full of obstacles, full of challenges, full of problems. You need to cover those problems. You need to pass all those challenges if you want to be successful in your life. So always ready to accept challenges. Always be a yes person. Always face the challenges, no matter what the results are. Even if you lose that challenge, you will happy from inside. You will feel good from inside. That's what you need. When you are sleeping at night, you will face yourself at mirror and you say, okay, I did today good. I give my 100%, but don't matter the results. So once you know what are your consequences and what are your flaws, then you can work upon them, and once you know those flaws, you can rectify those flaws by doing more and more practice according to that, so that whenever next time you will face that challenge, you will stand like a stone and beat that problem like nowhere. So So right now I'm going to tell you the top 7 challenges that we all are facing right now while from point 1 to point 2, that is from being successful to unsuccessful, or you can say from successful to unsuccessful. So first challenge is what others will say. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोग कि क्या कहेंगे लोग. No matter what you are doing, just don't give attention to those people. Don't think what will others think. Just do your work. Challenge second, fear. Fear of not doing anything new. Fear of not doing, upgrading yourself. Fear of losing the money. Fear of not accepting by the society. If you can't do anything that that is new to you, then you will fear from that, so that you can do that thing in a right manner. So that's the fear. Third, negativity. Believe it or not, we all have the bunch of friends who always discourages us, who always say that you can't do this. First of all, you need to get rid of those friends, because once you start getting rid of those friends, then your life will become just positive. So always think of that. Fourth, setback. You do your thing, but the results are not in your favor. It's okay, it's absolutely fine. Losing is absolutely fine, but not trying, it's absolutely wrong. When the results are not in favor, it's okay, because once you try a new thing, you will lose, but that's okay. So setback, never demotivated from those setback. Fifth, that is lack of motivation. When the results are not in your favor, then you will demotivated. You feel demotivated. You need to recharge yourself so that you can achieve that target as well. Sixth, optimistic. So always be optimistic. So these are the few challenges. For that, you need to be optimistic no matter how tough situations will be, but at the end of the day, you will find the solution. So always accept the challenges and do right thing according to that. Thank you.